It's good. I mean, it's this way, and I've always progressed. Whenever I started with a small in this much room, and now I own my own signature store in Ahmedabad, and this is the fourth season I'm doing with Lakme Fashion Week. And see, as I told you, I'm not a qualified, not taken any formal training. And if you consider that, then I always feel good. I feel proud of myself that I've done a real good achievement in this line. So it's great. I was very fashionable when I was very young, and working with tailors was always very frustrating with me. So I decided, let me stitch my own garment. I'll design them and I'll stitch them. So that's how I started. In the moment I started making garments for myself, my friends started asking for the same, make some for us, design some for us. So then I hired one tailor, and this was a basic thing. I started with a tailor in my house, and slowly I started. Then people used to see my work, and then I was very adventurous. I used to go to other cities and try to do exhibitions in say 10-12 years back. It was really difficult, but that way I started meeting a lot of people and knowing their tastes and knowing my strength, what I'm good at, what people are liking in me. So all that way, I was just doing better and better work. A good business and good fame, and I want to cater to the market. I want to cater to their needs. It's not just my designs, but they should suit them, and they should also feel good that, oh, they are wearing something different. My collection this time, if we call it Peekaboo collection, it is like the game, where you just hide yourself and then suddenly you reveal yourself. So I've used organzas. Similarly, it plays with body, Peekaboo, that your body, you can reveal your body, you can hide it, So it's like for any figure, like if I'm fat, I say I have bigger stomach and I want to show that part, but somewhere I want the transparency. I also want to look little sexy and beautiful. Then I'll show my legs somewhere I can show my hands, using those transparency in that. And I've used lumpies, a gold thing that shines from behind, this organzas. So it's like a very sexy, beautiful collection, but for all kind of figures. Great platform. I mean, and it's only Lakme Fashion Week that is, I'm really working on my designs. Every time I am charged up and I want to do something new. If I am running only my store and doing exhibitions, I don't think I would, be this creative, because I'll be like stuck with so many other problems, and at times, you just want to earn money. But when it is LFW, I just put my 100% and I want to do something new, and I come up with a lot of different ideas and collections. Not at all. I just wanted to do the best things, and I myself always wanted to look good. So, later on now it has shifted to people, that I want people to look good, when they wear my garments. So as such, no big any marketing strategy, but yeah, I do look at growth, and I do think about how we can grow, how we can make it for mass, how I can exploit my own design. It is so beautiful that rather than 5 people wearing it, if 50 people wears it, it's good for both of us. Even I will be like happy that, oh, okay, See, I want to still do more fashion weeks. Paris is where I want to go, and I want to see where we can, with Indian touch and Indian fabrics, how well I can do. Right now, though, I can see only other fashion weeks in the world, not only India, but I want to go to other places, see their market, how they work. Celebrity association, yeah, kind of, we can say that I really want to go there. I want a few people whom I like to wear my garments. Then we have a plan that we want to do a film later on. Yeah, that's it. Oh, you can do everything. You can see me, and you can do everything. So without any training, I can do everything and anything, and I'm so much enthused and confident about it. So it doesn't matter. Just be yourself.